We have to find values of x and y. What we have given here? Let's look to our graph. We have here that this angle has 15 degrees. The red square tells us that this angle has 90 degrees. We have right angle. What else? If we have these two angles, we can find this angle because we have here triangle, and we know that measures of interior angles in triangle is 180 degrees. So let's put that this is angle 1. Measure of angle 1 is 180 degrees minus 50 degrees minus 90 degrees. How I get this? Because measure of angle 1 plus 50 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal 180 degrees. We have here triangle, and measures of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can find that we have that measure of angle 1 is equal 75 degrees. So we have this angle, and we see that these two angles are vertical angles, and we know that vertical angles are congruent. So here we have angle 1, 2. So we have here another triangle. We have to find y. Y is unknown. We have angle 1, and we have this angle 36 degrees. It is, again, the measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So again, we will have that measure of angle 1 plus y degrees, measure of angle y plus 36 degrees is equal 180 degrees. Measure of angle 1 is 75 degrees. So we have to copy the rest. Plus y degrees plus 36 degrees is 180 degrees. We have one unknown. Let's forget about degrees now. So we have y is equal 180 minus 36 minus 75. So this is equal 69. We found y. Next we have to find our x. Now let's look at this triangle. We have this angle because here we have 90 degrees and here we have straight angle. So on the other side we have 90 degrees too. So we have this angle and that angle. We have to find this. So again, we can use the triangle sum theorem, which tells us that the measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write now that measure of angle x plus this angle is 90 degrees plus 36 degrees is equal 180 degrees. So measure of angle x is equal 180 degrees minus 90 minus 36 degrees. So measure of angle x is equal 54 degrees. So x is equal 54. We found x and y. So we solve our problem.